2:54 a.m. picking up for Tyler. Taco Bell. Let's go. All right. It's 3:42 a.m. We got a McDonald's order. Roughly $1.20 per mile. McDonald's. 3:42 a.m. Let's go from DoorDash. Let's get it. All right, current time 3:50 a.m. Let's go. All right, current time 3:57 a.m. 3:57 a.m. That and right there. All right, it's 4:17 a.m. and we got a Grubhub order. It's like a coffee shop, more than $1 per mile. All right, let's go there, huh? 4:17 a.m. Let's go. All right, I think it's like 4:20 a.m. 4:20 a.m. picking up a breakfast order. Let's get it. All right, it's
in half a mile, turn left onto East Dartmouth Avenue.
4:38 a.m. Got a breakfast order. Let's get it from Grubhub. I was gonna go drop it up. Let's go, guys. All right, 5:07 a.m. Picking up from the Burger Den. Roughly $1 per mile from Grubhub. Let's go. All right, 5:10 a.m. Got our order. Let's get it. I'm gonna have to decline this one, guys. Decline. Yes, decline. All right, guys, current time 5:30 a.m. So I think with DoorDash we did like $20 roughly, and Grubhub, let me see, wow, Grubhub we made $35.45 and DoorDash $19.50. So roughly like $55 in 2.5 hours. So that comes out to be like $22 per hour from 3 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. I think I'm done for today. Gonna go get something to eat and go home and sleep. And that's what it's like to do DoorDash and Grubhub from 3 to 5 a.m. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content, please smash the like, subscribe. Most importantly, go back to the YouTube app. Turn on our notifications. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.